Let me show you how to create this realistic mockup in Photoshop. First, open your image. Then make sure it is unlocked. Then go to Select and choose Subject. Then press Ctrl+J 4 times to make a copy of it. Then click on Layer 1. Then drag our design to Photoshop. And let's hide all of the above layers. Then click on our design and rescale it by press Ctrl+T. Then right-click on it and create a clipping mask. Now go to Layer 1 Copy and check this box. Then change its blending to linear burn. Then press Ctrl+L to adjust its level. Now click on Layer 1 Copy 2 and check this box. Then change its blending mode to linear dodge. Then press Ctrl+L to adjust its level. Now click on Layer 1 Copy 3 and check this box. Then change its blending mode to screen. Then press Ctrl+L to adjust its level. Then press Shift and click on Layer 1 Copy and give a group for them. Then click on Layer 0 and go to Adjustment option. Then click on Level. Now let's adjust its level. Then again click on Adjustment option. Then click on Solid Color to give it background. Choose your color and click OK. Now change its blending mode to multiply. I think let's make our background a little bit bright. That is it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.